Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another unboxing. This time we have two ice watches. So, from Amazon, from Try Before You Buy. We have a blue one and a black one. I'll go quickly through them. I got them because they, price-wise, they were really interesting. They were under 70 bucks, and so 70 euros, and as well as they looked actually quite nice. So I thought, why not get them, try them out. I didn't try this brand, the Ice Watch brand, before, and I thought, why not get two of them to see how they look like, how they feel, try them out for a couple of days, and give you my honest opinion. So basically, this is how the box. Let's say push this down. So this is the first one. This is the Bastone Blue with have a really nice camo pattern on the dial with orange hands. Let's put this on the side. So I'll put this on the side. So as you can see, you have the case, plastic case, metal crown, plastic bezel as well. Sounds quite okay. Rubber strap. Let's see the dimensions. So this watch is 40 millimeters in diameter, and it is 48 lug to lug, thickness 13 millimeters, and it has a strap size of 20 millimeters, I think, because let's measure it from here. Yeah, oh, that might be 19 actually. Yeah, it's 19. Anyways, I don't think you will change the strap on this watch because basically this is a fashion watch, and most people buying fashion watches, they don't change straps. They just get the watch and wear it, and when it needs a battery or something, they will change it. I'm wearing this 9/4 heritage chronograph, really nice watch. Anyways, I have a 17.1 centimeter wrist, and this is how the watch looks on my wrist. Really nice pattern on the dial, and also enough lume, because as you can see, there is lume on the hands, numerals and pip. So we'll put this to the side. We'll open the other one. So this one is called the Black Forever, and it's rubber, almost the same dimensions, a little bit bigger. So we have this time all rubber, blacked out steel here, and a rubber rubber bezel that doesn't move. So let's get the dimensions of the watch out of the way. 40 millimeters in diameter, thickness 9.9, so 10, and I think here the lug width is around 20 as well. But as you can see, it's a integrated strap kind of design, so the case and the strap are one, and you have here the case back. So you can see icewatch.com barcode to show the originality, and here is on my wrist. I actually like this much more than this one, I have to say. I like the integrated bracelet. This is a little bit lighter. This is water resistant to 10 bars, so 100 meters water resistant, and here as well as 100 meters, so both are 100 meters water resistant. But I prefer this one because of this integrated strap kind of style, and the strap also feels really supple. Here it's a little bit thicker, and as you can see, the strap is very malleable. And I think I really like the all black. The only thing I don't like is that the bezel is a fake bezel. It doesn't work, it doesn't move, but yeah, I guess that's also in the case construction itself. So this is how this looks. These are the two together next to each other. And yeah, basically they are fashion watches. So for people who don't care about watches so much. They just want it as an accessory. I think that's a legitimate choice as well. That's why I cover also some in my channel. I don't cover fashion watches that tries to be real watches. This is a fashion watch that knows it's a fashion watch. It's something like a Swatch, but let's say a little bit more cheaper. And I think they have a place in every person's collection. If you don't have a beater watch, I think this would be a really nice beater watch, to be honest. 100 meters water resistance, adequate lume, as you can see here. And yeah, it's very light as well on the wrist. I think it's 50 grams, so 50 grams in total. Anyways, if you have any question about this watch or any other watch, please leave it in the comment section. This is also an invitation to like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Have a great one, everybody. Bye bye.